Hey all, I am Meenakshi. Welcome you all to my channel Madimax. Today we are going to see matrix operations, addition and subtraction of matrices. Recall. By recalling the small concept of addition of algebraic expressions, we know that while the addition of algebraic expressions can only be done with the corresponding like terms. Similarly, the addition of two matrices can be done by addition of corresponding terms in the matrix. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Two matrices A and B can be added or subtracted if and only if they have the same order. Same order means if A is 2 by 2 and B is 2 by 2, A is 3 by 3 and B is 3 by 3, which is the same number of rows and columns. Same order means it has same rows and same columns. That is the number of columns of a matrix equal to the number of columns of the matrix B, and the number of rows of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Two matrices of the same order are said to be conformal for addition and subtraction. The sum and subtraction of two matrices of the same order is obtained by adding together or subtracting corresponding elements of the two matrices. If A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij, we want to add A plus B, then the resulting is C. C equal to A plus B is a matrix having a general element of the form. We can write Cij equal to Aij plus Bij. Similarly, we want to find the subtraction A minus B. The resulting D equal to A minus B, then Dij equal to Aij minus Bij. Properties of matrix addition. The basic properties of matrix addition is similar to the addition of real numbers. Go through the properties below. Assume that A, B, and C are the three M cross N matrices. The following properties hold true for the matrix addition operation. Here A plus B equal to B plus A, which is commutative property. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, which is associative property. And 0 is an additive identity. For a M cross N matrix, there is an identity element A plus 0 equal to A. We add the element with the matrix with the additive identity, we get the same element. For any M cross N matrix A, there is an M cross N matrix B. A plus B equal to 0 is an additive identity. Here B is an additive inverse of A. Therefore, A plus A minus A equal to 0. Therefore, B is the additive inverse of A, which is equal to minus A. A minus A equal to 0. 0 is the additive identity. Examples. Example 1. We want to add A with B. Here A equal to 3574 and B equal to 2536. Only matrices with the same dimensions can be added and subtracted. What is the meaning of dimensions? Here the matrix A is 2 by 2 of order and B is the 2 by 2 order. Then corresponding elements. We add the corresponding elements. The resulting matrix has the same dimension of 2 by 2. Here the matrix A is 2 by 2 and B is 2 by 2. A plus B, the resulting matrix is also 2 by 2. We write here A plus B, A equal to 3574 plus B equal to 2536. Then the corresponding elements, add the corresponding elements in each matrix. Add the corresponding elements in each matrix. Corresponding elements means A11, here A11, A12, A12. A21, A21, A22, A22. This is the corresponding elements. Therefore, we can add 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 7 plus 3, 4 plus 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 3 equal to 10, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Therefore, the resulting matrix is also a 2 by 2 matrices. The next problem. Here A equal to 2 cross 3 matrices and B equal to 2 cross 3 matrices. 2 rows, 3 columns. Here also 2 rows, 3 columns. Therefore, the order is same. Add the corresponding elements in each matrix. A plus B, 4 plus 7, 5 plus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 5, minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 5, 9, minus 2 plus 4, 2. Then subtraction. Here A equal to 2 minus 18, 20 minus 5 and B equal to minus 4, 2 minus 5, 1. we want to subtract A minus B equal to subtract the corresponding elements in each matrix. We can write A minus B, then 2 minus minus 4, minus 18 minus 2, 20 minus minus 5, minus 5 minus 1. The result is 6 minus 20, 25 minus 6. This is the fourth example. If A equal to 2 minus 1 0 5, 3 2 6 minus 4 and B equal to 4 7 1 8 minus 2 3 6 5, find 2A plus 3B and 3A minus 2B. We write A and B, find 2A. What is the meaning of 2A? 2 into A. 2 into, we multiply 2 with the matrix A, then we can get 2 into 2, multiply 2 with each entries of the matrices. 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into 0, 2 into 5, like that we did all the multiplications. Then 3B, 3 into B, we multiply 3 with all the entries of the matrices, we get this value. Then we add 2A plus 3B, here 2A is this value and plus 3B, we add the corresponding elements of the each matrix, we get this value, resulting element 2A plus 3B. Similarly, you find 3A, 3 into A, multiply 3 with all the entries of the matrices, we get this value. 2B, 2 into B, multiply, and then we get this value. Then find 3A minus 2B, already we found 3A minus 2B minus, subtract this from this 6 minus 8, we get the resulting value. Then problem 5. Here A equal to 3 minus 4 1 2 plus and B equal to 3 7 2 minus 1 6 plus 4. A plus B. We want to find A plus B, but which is not possible because we can't add because they are different dimensions. Here A is 2 by 2, B is 2 cross 3 matrices. We can't add because they are in same dimensions, they are not in same order. The next problem, find X, Y, Z and W. If 3 into X, Y, Z, W, X6 minus 1, 2W, plus 4, X plus Y, Z plus 4, 3, Z plus W, 3. Solution given 3 into X, Y, Z, W equal to the given term. Then we multiply 3 into X, 3 into Y, 3 into Z, 3 into W. We can add the corresponding elements in each matrix. 3 plus 4, 6 plus X plus Y, minus 1 plus Z plus W, 2W plus 3. Since the two matrices are equal, means this is a 2 cross 2 matrices, this also a 2 cross 2 matrices. Therefore, we can equating the both sides, we get 3x equal to x plus 4, 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y, 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, 3w equal to 2w plus 3. We take the equation from equation A, equation A. We take 3x equal to x plus 4. Then we can take x from left side to left side. 3x minus x equal to 4. We can subtract 3x minus x equal to 2x. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. Then next 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. We put the value x equal to 2. 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. We take y left side. 3y minus y equal to 6 plus 6. Substitute x equal to 2. 2y equal to 6 plus x. Then 2y equal to 6 plus 2. 2y equal to 8. Y equal to 4. Then the last 3w equal to 2 plus w. Substitute w equal to 3. 2w minus 3w minus 2w equal to w. W equal to 3. Finally, 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, substitute w equal to 3, and we get 2z equal to 2, z equal to 1. Last value is x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 1, and w equal to 3. Remark, a plus b equal to b plus a, and a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. Matrix addition is both commutative and associative. A minus b not equal to b minus a, and a minus b minus a not equal to a minus b minus c. Matrix subtraction is neither commutative nor associative. Thank you. Keep watching all my videos. Thank you so much.